Hi, and welcome to this short tutorial on how to use iMovie for the iPad. So now I want to show you a little bit more advanced feature, and that's called the split video. And the reason that you might want to run that is, let's say I'm filming this person who's running properly, and now I want to also add a video of somebody who is not running properly, so you can see the two things side by side. So what I'm going to do is place my playhead at the beginning of this clip, because I want what's going to happen is my new clip is going to run over here beside this clip. So I put my first clip down into the timeline. I move my cursor to the beginning of this clip, and now I'm going to come back up here and choose my new clip. So we're just going to come up here and tap, and again, my bad clip is somewhere over here. So I have my clip selected. Now in the past, what I did was we clicked on this arrow to add it in, but I don't want to do that, because if I do, it's just going to add this clip to the front of this clip, and I don't want to do that. I want it to run side by side. So in this case, I'm going to choose these three dots right here. And those three dots open up some advanced features. This allows me to, the first one allows me to replace this video clip, which means that it's going to put this one into my video instead of this one. The second one is picture-in-picture. So if you wanted to do a little talking head that's explaining what's happening in this video, you can do that by adding your talking head as a picture-in-picture. But what we're going to be doing is this last one, which is side-by-side. So all you need to do is tap this side-by-side, and what you can see is that it lays the new video on top of the old video. So as I scroll through, you'll see it lays it on top, and it's actually a little longer than I want it. So I can do all of the same things to this top video that I can to my bottom. So I'm going to tap it, and I'm going to click on the scissors icon here at the front and choose split. And that splits this clip into two pieces, this one and this one. And now I can select this one and click delete to get rid of it, and now you'll see that the two are lined up. Alright, so one's probably going slow motion, one's probably going full speed, but you'll be able to deal with that when you make your own project. So now that I have this side by side, I can still do those freeze frames if I want. They just need a little bit more attention. So I'm going to go back and forth until I get exactly where I want to be. Then I'm going to tap the bottom video, make sure I'm here, or if I'm in the old version of iMovie, I just choose freeze from over here on the side. New version, you're going to click the gearbox first and then click freeze. So I'm going to tap freeze, and you'll see my freeze frame shows up here. All right, so then line back up over here. I'm going to come a little bit up in front of it, because for some reason I cannot get these two to line up. So when I tap this, then I'm going to click freeze again, and you'll see it offsets it just a little bit. I don't know why that is, but so you may just need to play with it a little bit. But anyway, what I've got now are two freeze frames. So you can see that they freeze together, and you can again, expand them as long as you need in order to talk about them. All right, so that's side by side, and again we did that by tapping up here, choosing the three buttons, and then choosing side by side. And it's going to lay the video on top of the other one, running it literally side by side.